在外国的垃圾桶里都能找到什么？接下来我们跟着拾荒者麦克的脚步去寻找宝藏。
They left us a little something, something. And they left us a little something, something. On top of that something, something. Got a little gas line here that's should be stainless steel. And there's some copper on that little filter dryer line thing. Ooh, look at that. And then there's a panel showing up on the tippity tip top. Up here with a little bit of scribbity scrib scrop. And, ooh, yes. I do. Oh, what kind of motor is that? Oh, that's not a motor. That's a, well, it is a motor, but it's a vacuum pump, I believe. Yeah, two-stage vacuum pump. They use that in the HVAC bills. It's probably broken, but the motor on it can be turned into scribbity squirrel. Get out, y'all. It's a refrigerator. Says it works. It's still cold in there. Man, this is an old fridge, too. They don't make them like that no more. They don't last as long as these older ones do. Those make great little garage refrigerators. And the fact that it works. Give it a little shove. This way here. It'll leak a little bit of juice there. We'll get it stood up real quick. They say if you lay it over, you're supposed to wait like... Is that somebody's wallet? No. Few hours or something, or a day or whatever before you plug it back in, because the compressor oil could go back up in the something. Although I've never had an issue. Here we go. Just perfect. Just perfect. You're perfect. Oh, yeah, you know you like it when I'm rough with you, don't ya? What's up, Del Monorito from Monterey? Hey, it's not all busted up. Not too shabby, although it's not the greatest. I've found worse. Man, there's a big old piece of something up in here. Look at that. Look at that lumber. That's lumber for days. It looks like this is some sort of weld job. Some sort of makeshift table made out of pallet racks. Okay, we got a leg, we get another leg. Okay, look at that, we got a piece. We got a piece of it. Here's another piece of it. All right. Look at this bad boy. Heavy piece of steel. Put that right here. All right, there's the first leg of our journey. Okay. This is actually the piece I really wanted. Is this little flat ramp piece of steel right here. Set that. Right there. You good? I'm good. Uh-oh, that's it for the battery. She's, uh-oh. Okay, well, mental note to yourself, Mike, when you're editing this video, order a battery, an extra one. I see a little box with some wires. Looks like maybe some bags. Bags. Whoa! Oh, yes! There's the bags. Or a bag. There's another bag. Is that tissues or? Oh man, it's got Snoop on it. Got Snoop D-O-double-G. It's like a little card reader. Yeah, I'll grab that. Just take the whole box, pitch it in the back, and give them their box back. Keep your box. I see a light back there. Got us a motor on here. Yes, we do. Oh, it's a Hayward too. Grab that light up top next to the chicken wings from Little Caesars. There's no motor in that motor box. Oh, I see gnats. All right. This one unfortunately doesn't have the brass pieces because it just threads on. That's a bummer. But at least I don't gotta take all that crap home. There's some Christmas lights down here. Is that one of them balls? That's a woods. Oh, look at that all in the back there. I was all messing with Frosty when I should have been messing with Shotzi. Over there messing with Frosty, and it almost cost me. Messing with Frosty almost cost me. Could have been costly. Pirates live in Somalia. Oh my gosh, look at all that. It's like going down in the back too. And that is not optical, folks. That is 100% grade A scrap. Man, there's a lot of it too. Golly, look at all that back there. It's Genesis access control. More Genesis. Oh, my head. We got the spirit of Philadelphia Collins with us tonight. All of his flagellants and gas. I don't care who you are, that ain't bad. Goodness gracious. It's a chunk of change coming out of this one. Oh yeah, that'll work. That will work. Look at that mess of wire. It's squishing my Frosty. What's up, tennis shoes? And lights. And more lights down there. It's a four-way light. Oh no, it's only two-way. But we got four total. So we can switch it up if y'all want to. Oh wait, we got two more. It's a party now, huh? Oh yeah, these are like the 8-footers, but they bent them up for me, which is mucho appreciated, and they got them all stacked up here. These are really crusty lights. Those are like special shoes. Bolted in there. And a lighting structure right here. It's a shell of a structure. Looks like we got us an offering from the scrap gods. Or more like the plumber. I hear lots of choppers out and about. Choppers be chopping. Boppers be bopping. Ooh, watch out, that's a little sharp. Oh, I think that was a piece of paint chip. Trying to cut my outer exoskeleton. All right. It's got a little sludge. It's a little bit of sludge. Ooh, something stinks coming out of that. Ooh. But hey, let's face it. It wouldn't be a Mike the Scavenger episode without a water heater. Guys feel like picking up a washer? Sure, why the heck not? I got a little bit of room back there. It's gonna cut through this neighborhood on the way home and see if we pick up some curbside. Oh, who put that curb there? Anyways, all right, got a little kiddo bed here. We're gonna go ahead and leave all of this together just in case somebody wants the whole thing. It does look antique-like with some modifications. It's a Simmons. It's a beauty rest from the Black Plague. Sure would eat your beauty rest. Hey. Right, nice and easy. Watch out for that lid. Smack you in your face. Goes a little, looks like a motor. Thompson, what's that for a, is that a boat, maybe? So that's a gas blower. It's Poulan Pro. Oh, grab these right here. Okay. Scraps. Scabby Scavenger. I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there. As y'all can see, it was mostly a scrap-tastic evening out there, getting some stuff in the urban jungle. We did get a refrigerator that says it works. It was cold, so we'll see if we can find a home for that. But yeah, other than that,